Unmasking procrastination. Unlock the power of flow. Ever wonder why staying motivated and focused feels like an uphill battle? It's a common struggle that many face daily, impacting both personal and professional lives. But there's hope. In today's video, we're diving into the psychology behind motivation and focus. Understanding the science can give you practical tools to enhance your productivity and well-being. We'll explore the Zeigarnik effect, procrastination, and the flow state. These concepts offer insights into why we struggle and how to overcome these challenges. Why is it so hard to stay motivated and focused? Distractions, stress, and unclear goals often derail our efforts, leaving us feeling frustrated and unproductive. First, let's talk about the Zeigarnik effect. Named after psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik, this phenomenon explains why unfinished tasks linger in our minds. The Zeigarnik effect is a psychological phenomenon that explains why unfinished tasks linger in our minds. It creates a mental tension that keeps us thinking about what we need to complete. This mental tension can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it pushes us to finish tasks. On the other hand, it can cause anxiety if we have too many incomplete projects. Think about the last time you left a project halfway done. You likely found yourself repeatedly thinking about it, even when doing other activities. This constant mental reminder is the Zeigarnik effect in action. However, this effect can drain mental resources, making it harder to focus on new tasks. It's important to manage unfinished tasks effectively to avoid unnecessary stress and mental clutter. Procrastination is the act of delaying tasks without a valid reason. It often results from fear of failure or a lack of interest. This habitual delay can severely impact productivity and increase stress levels. Procrastination often arises from a fear of failure or a lack of interest in the task at hand. This mindset leads to delaying actions, making it harder to achieve goals efficiently. The consequences of procrastination are significant. It not only hampers productivity, but also increases stress levels. The more you delay, the more overwhelming tasks become, creating a vicious cycle. To combat procrastination, break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes daunting projects seem less intimidating and helps you maintain steady progress, reducing the urge to delay. Flow state is a psychological concept where you're fully immersed in an activity. When in this state, you lose track of time and focus intensely, enhancing your performance and satisfaction. Achieving flow state requires clear goals and minimizing distractions. By creating an environment conducive to deep focus, you can experience heightened productivity and make even mundane tasks more enjoyable. Boosting productivity and making tasks more enjoyable, the flow state is a powerful mental state. When in flow, time seems to fly, and you achieve peak performance effortlessly. To reach flow, set clear, achievable goals. Knowing exactly what you need to do helps focus your mind and keeps you on track, making the work feel more engaging. Minimizing distractions is crucial for entering the flow state. Turn off notifications, create a quiet workspace, and set specific times for deep work to maintain uninterrupted concentration. Understanding these concepts can significantly enhance your ability to stay motivated and focused. Applying these principles will help you manage tasks more effectively and reduce stress. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine. With practice, you'll find it easier to get into the flow and accomplish your goals more efficiently. Understanding these concepts can significantly enhance your ability to stay motivated and focused in various aspects of your life. Start by recognizing unfinished tasks and breaking them down into manageable steps. Incorporate techniques to achieve flow state, such as setting clear goals and minimizing distractions. By implementing these strategies, you can boost productivity and make your daily tasks more enjoyable and fulfilling.